Hello, hello! Welcome back to our vlog. Latest chika natin kay Kobe Paras. Nagbabalik fashion siya. Eto nga, may post ang Vimancy para kay Kobe Paras. At may sinabi siya dito, a lot of people think it's easy to stop what you're doing and switch paths. But it takes a little courage and faith to get you a long way. Ayun, at nirepost ito ni Kobe Paras. At dinagdagan niya ng live, love, and love all. Ayun, congrats, Kobe. Pero ayun niya, mas pinili niya munang mag-stay sa island. Gusto niya munang mamuhay ng siya lang at malayo siya sa spotlight. Ayun, so ini-enjoy niya muna doon mag-stay. Kaya abangan na lang natin ang pagbabalik niya sa Manila o sa showbiz or sa paglalaro ng basketball. Ayun. So, pinili niya munang mag-isa ngayon. Yan yung sabi niya dyan sa Vimancy na yan. So, yeah, keep on watching till the end. Congrats, Kobe!
Lights down, music so hard I can't help it. Head up, phone is off, it's my entrance. Tonight is ours to the taking, but you know I got tired of waiting. And I don't care what you say. We came to rock this party all night, all day, all night, all night. It's now here's my time and I'll take it. Not much left to do, but just feel the beat. And now I'm lost in the rhythm, so you know this.